Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Quest. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change username on Shopee. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Shopee username on your mobile phone. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and then log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to this kind of interface, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see an Me option. You need to click on that. As you click on it, next thing you need to click on the gear icon located in the top right corner. After you click on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page, and on that page you need to click on account and security. As you click on account and security, right on this page you'll have all the information regarding your account. So in order to change your username, you need to click on my profile, which is right on top. As you click on account security, once again you'll be able to see multiple information regarding your account, and right in between you'll have an option as edit name, and you'll also be able to see your current username. So in order to change it, first of all you need to remove it and then type in a new username. Once you're done creating a new username, tap on save in the top right and you'll be notified that you've changed your username, and that is how you can change your username on Shopee. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.